Welcome to Anthony Cujo AI, your ultimate guide to mastering artificial intelligence. Want to launch a profitable business with just AI tools? Today, we're unveiling the top 5 AI-powered businesses you can start today. Easy, scalable, and lucrative. Using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, RunwayML, and Descript, you'll learn to create content, automate services, or build learning platforms with minimal costs. This guide breaks down each idea, from setup to monetization, with practical steps for beginners and pros. Whether you're aiming to earn $5,000 or $50,000 a month, these AI-driven ventures tap into booming markets like content creation and automation. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to join our community for weekly AI strategies. Check the description for affiliate links to tools like ChatGPT and Descript. Let's dive into these game-changing business ideas and start building your AI empire. Section 1. AI-powered content creation. Agency. AI content creation is a goldmine, with businesses spending billions on blogs, videos, and social media. An AI-powered content agency delivers these fast and cheap. Tools like ChatGPT draft 1,000 word articles in approximately 5 minutes, while RunwayML creates 10-second video intros in seconds. Descript polishes podcasts via text, and Canva AI designs graphics. How it works. Offer packages, 10 blogs or 5 videos for small businesses. Use Claude for polished, safe copy and Grok for market research. Start with free tiers, $0 upfront, then scale with subscriptions, approximately $50 per month for tools. Startup steps. Create 5 sample posts using ChatGPT's free tier. List services on Upwork, $0 cost. Pitch to local businesses, highlighting 50% cost savings. Store assets on SSD or Google Drive for fast delivery, aligning with your workflow. Why it works. Content demand is soaring. 78% of companies use AI for it. Low startup costs and high margins make this a winner. Section 2. AI-driven virtual assistant service. Virtual assistants save businesses hours daily, and AI makes them smarter. Build AI-driven assistants for customer service or scheduling using Claude's conversational logic and Grok's real-time insights. Zapier AI automates tasks like CRM updates, handling 80% of routine inquiries. How it works. Create chatbots for e-commerce or support. Claude ensures safe, human-like replies, while XAI APIs add custom logic. Start with free tools like Voice Flow. Monetization. Charge $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client, plus $500 setup fees. 5 clients at $2,000 yield $10,000 per month. Startup steps. Build 3 demo bots. Example, frequently asked question responder. Offer on Fiverr, $100 to $500 per setup. Promote via LinkedIn webinars, showing 90% response accuracy. Use GDPR-compliant tools like Claude for trust. Why it works. 56% of businesses adopt AI assistants, cutting costs by 28%. Scalable with minimal overhead. Section 3. AI-driven e-learning platform. Personalized learning is booming, and AI makes it scalable. Create online courses or tutoring bots for skills like coding or languages. ChatGPT generates lessons, Claude crafts quizzes, and Grok answers complex questions. Teachable AI hosts courses with analytics. How it works. Build adaptive courses that adjust to learner progress, boosting retention by 30%. Use Descript for audio modules. Free tiers keep costs at $0 initially. Monetization. Sell courses for $50 to $500. or subscriptions $10 to $50 per month. 10 courses at $200 yield $2,000 per month. Teachable affiliates, approximately $20 per referral, ad revenue. Startup steps. Create a $99 coding course on Teachable's free plan. Use Claude for inclusive content. Market via TikTok with AI-generated snippets, targeting 10% conversions. Backup on Google Drive. Why it works. AI EdTech grows 40% annually, with personalized learning in high demand. Section 4. AI Book Writing Service. AI-powered book writing services help authors or businesses create novels or white papers. ChatGPT outlines 50,000 word books in approximately 20 hours. Pseudo-write adds creative flair, and Claude polishes tone. Grammarly AI refines grammar. How it works. Draft manuscripts for self-publishers or companies. Use KDP for distribution. Free tiers start you at $0. Paid plans approximately $70 per month to scale quality. Monetization. Charge $1,000 to $10,000 per book, or $500 per month for edits. 5 books at $2,000 yield $10,000 per month. Use affiliates, approximately $20 per referral, to add income. Startup steps. Generate a sample chapter with ChatGPT. Offer on Medium or KDP forums. Highlight 50% faster turnaround. Store drafts on an SSD for collaboration. Why it works. Self-publishing is surging. With AI, it's cutting writing time by 60%. Section 5. AI Video Editing Service. Offer AI-driven video editing for businesses or educators. Runway generates clips, Descript edits via text, and CapCut adds captions. A 5-minute promo takes approximately 30 minutes with AI. How it works. Create reels or tutorials using the free tiers initially. $0 cost. XAI APIs may enable custom edits. Pro Plan tools cost approximately $50 per month. Monetization. Charge $200 to $2,000 per video, or $500 per month for clients. 10 videos at $500 yield $5,000 per month. Use affiliates, approximately $20 per referral, to boost earnings. Startup steps. Produce a $200 pilot video for a local business. Offer services on Fiverr. Use Descript's overdub for fixes, saving approximately 1 hour, and promote with ALUX-style demos. Why it works. 71% of companies use AI for video, with demand growing fast. That's the top 5 AI-powered businesses you can start today. From content creation to video editing, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Runway make launching easy and profitable. These ideas tap into booming markets, saving time and costs while scaling fast. Pick one, use free tiers, and start building your empire today. Anthony Cujo AI will keep you updated with weekly AI videos to grow your ventures. If this sparked inspiration, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone ready to launch an AI business. Subscribe to Anthony Cujo AI and hit the notification bell for the latest videos. Check the description for affiliate links to ChatGPT, Descript, and more. Thanks for watching. Let's build your AI future together.